Hey there, Internet. This is Upkeep in a Jeep, and I have a few ideas today. Today, I have the doors off of the Jeep, and I thought I might do something different. I see a lot of videos out there with all these crazy edits and piecing together, including some of mine, and I wanted to do a video in one take. So let's see how this goes. The pool pump the timer is not working. So I picked up this. The number on the pool pump is WG1573-5. I found one that was a -10D, and it was about 20 bucks. You can get it at Grainger, you can get it at Amazon, anywhere, and the difference is that the wires are on there. The only thing you'll really be needing is a couple of screwdrivers, a Phillips, a T, I'm not even sure what this is, 10 or something, for the inside where the clock is. And one thing you need to do is make sure that the power is off. So the power is already off, and we're going to do this video real quick, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. Here it is. There's a little clip on top here they need to push in, and this thing comes out. The power is off, and one of the wires is here and one of the wires is here. I'm going to put it on the stand. When I put it on the stand, I turned off the record button. So I already put it on, and it did take one take. Unfortunately, you won't see that. So I'm just going to go through what I did. Put the new one in. It's just 2 screws right there. Ran the wiring down here. The wire on the top goes to the black, and the wire on the bottom goes to the white here. Just like that. Nerds rule, because they can fix things. Some of them, I don't know. You know what nerds also do? They say they're going to do a video in one take and can't even do it. I hope you like watching it anyways. I tried. Maybe next time. Power is on. Now I just have to wait and see if the clock is actually running, because it wasn't before, and hopefully it turns on and off on its own. Save some energy, save some money, and it works. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, please.